97 Computer Institute online training. This is the training for Microsoft Office Word application, and this our main topic. The topic we were looking at in the very first session, we will look at get to know the introduction to Microsoft Word. Then we will get to know Microsoft Word 2013. 2013 is just the version. So the version we are using for the training is 2013. Then we look at the Word interface. We look at what to call ribbon. Then we will get to know how we can minimize and maximize the ribbon level. What's a quick access toolbar is, how we cannot customize it. We look at ruler, backstage view, as well as document view. So let's start with introduction to Microsoft Word. So I'm going to launch Microsoft Word. You have many ways that you can launch Microsoft Word. In my own case, I'm using Windows 8, so I'll go to the start menu. Then I'll just type Word. So Word. So I'm going to choose 2013. I also have 2016, but I'll use 2013 for the training. So if you are using, I don't know, depending on the type of your Windows you are using. If, for example, you are using Windows 7, you go to Start menu, all programs, and you will see Microsoft Office. Then you click on Microsoft Word, or you can even just go to the Start menu, then search for Word, as I search on my system. So, what's Microsoft Word all about? Microsoft Word, as you know, is a word processing application. You use the word processing application to create a document, just like letters, flyers, and reports, any other thing, text-based, any text-based application. We use Microsoft Word. So there are versions of Microsoft Word. Starting previously, we were having 2003, then we moved to 2007, and we had 2010, now 2013, 2016, in that we currently even have 2020 or whatever. So depending on your version that you are using, when you open Microsoft Word first, this is what you see. So you see blank document, and then you see start from what? Template. So all these are templates that you can also start your document with, based on the specific type of document you are typing. So you are just to know the Word interface. That's the parts of the Microsoft Word interface. So for us to get to know the interface, I will click on the blank document. So I'll get access to my Microsoft Word window. So with the window, we have the tab ribbon system here, as compared to the traditional menu. So back in, I think, 2003, we were having menu bar, whereby you click and then the commands under the menu bar will drop down. But from 2007, 2010, there was changes. So we moved to all these tabs. So this tabs, TAB tabs. So these are tabs, and then these are the commands. So the tab and then the commands here from what we call the ribbon. So we have home tab, insert tab, design tab, page layout tab, reference, all depending on what, all with what different command, mainly different commands that you can apply. Developer tab might not be on your system. This is for advanced level. So in the advanced level, maybe we look at how to enable the developer tab. you're now on your system, you might have from far to what view. So that's how we work with the Microsoft Word. So when I come to Home tab, I have a group of commands. Like this is a group, a clipboard group, where I have format printer, paste, cut, copy. Here is a font group. Here is a paragraph group. So for example, if you are reading some instruction in a booklet or in a book or online, then you are given instruction like page layouts, and then maybe page layouts, paragraph, then let's say size. So this simply means go to the page layout tab, then look to a paragraph group, and then you click on size. So when you are given instruction like this, that's how to follow. So page layouts, paragraph size, that means I have to come to my page layout tab, and then in a paragraph group. So yes, I wanted to type this one. Page setup rather, sorry for that. Page setup. So page layout, page setup, and then size. That means come here, you come to page layout tab, then size group. Under the page setup group, you click on size. So here, so this is for setting up what page, the size of your page. So that's for the tabs and ribbon. Then you have minimize and maximize tab or ribbon. So this option is for hiding, for auto hiding, showing only the tabs, or to show tabs and command, as I have here. So you can see this is checked on my list. So I have my tab and command shown. So when you choose show tabs only, it's going to show only the tabs unless I click then to show. You can say auto hide ribbon, which everything will go unless you enable it. So in my own case, I'm going to show everything. Then let's move to the quick access toolbar. So what is the quick access toolbar? Here are the quick access tools that we have on the quick access toolbar. Why quick access toolbar? What is important? You use the quick access toolbar to access some of the commands we mostly use. In short, there are some commands that if like it's not available here, you have to do clicks followed by 3-4 instructions before you can do that, or you can get search instructions. So if for example this is a print preview, is enabled, this is new. So if the new is not here, to open a new document I have to come to file then new before I can get it. But once it's enabled here, I can just click on new, then I get my new document. Or we have print preview. So print preview, likewise I have to come here, then come to print before I get my preview. So print preview is already there. So let's see how we can customize. So these are some of the commands you can add towards your quick access toolbar. So you have quick prints. So I enable, and then it's here. And let me also enable draw table. And once I enable the draw table, to draw a table I have to come to insert, then come here, come to table group, and then do this draw table before I can get. but once I have it on my quick access toolbar, I just click here and then I get my table. Alright, so that's for the quick access toolbar. Then we move to the ruler. The ruler is in short used for setting margins. We use the ruler for setting our page margin. So this is my page margin. So this is the ruler horizontally, horizontal ruler, and then vertical ruler. But if, for example, your ruler is not shown on your system, your ruler might not show. So to display or show the ruler, you go to the View tab, and then there is it. You check the ruler box here to enable the ruler. So if I uncheck, you see my ruler will go up. So I'm going to check it, and my ruler will be back. Then let's go to backstage. So what's backstage? So backstage is also, it works like the tabs that we have here. Like for example, if I click on home tab, there are commands that appear: design, different commands, page layout, reference, the same as the file tab. So if I click the file tab, to take me towards my backstage view. So my backstage view, in short, gives me, here is a property of what the document that I've opened. We also have other commands: new, open, save, up to option that will take you to the advanced settings of this document. So for the property I have here, so it's showing that I have one page. I've typed 7 words, total editing time. So as I open this document, I've opened it for 8 minutes. This is the author of the documents and more other information that you can think of. Then you also go to document view. So let me go back. So in talk of document view, this is the views. These are the views that we have. We have read mode, print layout, and web mode. Print layout is the default view for any document that you open or you create in Microsoft Word, unless otherwise you change. The read mode puts the document into a read wider mode that you can read to make your necessary changes. So I'm going to enter a sample text here, equal to round. There's a shortcut for entering. A command for entering sample text round. Let's do 30. So that means I press enter to give me 30 paragraph for sample text. So that's my sample text I have here. So from here, that is my print layer. So if I click on read mode, it will disable some of the ribbon and the commands, and then at least you get your document in a read mode, which to appear larger. So this is necessary for editing. In short, if you want to edit your documents, that's at least with this mode you can read it. You can get to read it clearly to make the necessary change. So and that's why it's a read mode. You can't do any changes here. So if you want to make any changes, you come here and then come to edit document, and you come and make a change. Then web layout shows how the document will be displayed when published on a website. So thank you for watching. Expect the next lesson soon.